Welcome to Hindsight Trading, where you can learn how to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is October 12th, 2016, and I want to show you a featured stock for this week. And before we do so, let me direct your attention real quickly to the bottom of our webpage. And if you go to our disclosure statement, this section right here is what I want to highlight, which states that our products and services are solely for educational purposes. We're not licensed financial advisors. The government does want us to let you know, so make sure that you seek the advice of competent financial advisors before you make any trading and investment decisions. All right, that being said, let's jump to the feature stock for today. And that stock is TWI. TWI. If you look over here, TWI. Don't know who they are, what they do, but we see this on the chart showing that this stock is going higher. It's already been up 6% for today alone, 6% for today. It's a $10 stock. Now, a lot of people will say, oh, this is a cheap stock, this, that. But this is a feature stock for today, okay? And so if we go to the weekly chart, you can see that the up move has been taking place for quite some time. And here we are, all right, it's made some significant moves since the bottom here in January of 2016, February of 2016. So the question is, can we still jump into this trade and go higher? And the answer is yes, because there's some stuff that is shown on this chart that we teach that shows that this thing is going higher. But I'm going to just show you one thing real quick, and I have to do that by going to a monthly chart. Going to a monthly chart right here. And one of the things that you can see is I've drawn this line already for you guys to see. All right, over 20 years, whenever the stock comes down to this level and passes this line right here, you see that the stock rallies up pretty significantly. Okay, it did that in 2003, 2004 when it crossed this line right here. That stock went on to make gains of approximately, let's see here, once it climbed up there, all the way up there, for about 1,189% return in about 6, what's 12, 6 divided, I can't even figure that. Whatever, 56, 57 months. So that's about 5 years, okay, approximately 5 years, okay? And then it came back down to this same support level right here, okay, as you can see. And then once it started going back up again, it went from there all the way up to this level right here, which is about 500% return in about 2 years, okay? And now we are in a situation where it's come back to that same level. It's exuberant a lot of same information that tells us that it's ready to go higher. Some of it are candlestick signals. If you know the same candlestick signal that it gave us over here, it's the same type of candlestick signals that it gave us around here, okay, when the market started going higher, okay? And it also gave us candlestick signals around here too, but in particular right when it was about to go up, if we zoom in just a little bit over here, we look at this candlestick signals around this area down here, the same type of candlestick signals that is showing when it did this around here, and also the same type of candlestick signal that is now showing around here, okay? So you can learn about these candlestick signals if you subscribe to our website and subscribe to our mentoring. We teach those kind of stuff. For the benefit of those who are students of ours, we will not disclose what those candlestick signals are, but we would say that, it is showing signs that it's ready to go higher, okay? So that being said, this is the stock that we're looking at. And then the other thing too is, I'm going to just do something real quick. If we connect the closing highs of this, and this is on a monthly chart, if you connect that close with that close with that close, we can see now that it's broken through that, and it's now showing us that now is the time to get into this stock. This stock is now at $10. If it repeats what it's done in the past, we could probably see it go up to about 30%. If, let's say, we do this and it dropped about 34% is the drop in price, or should I say, let me take that back. If we go from $46 down to about $30, a loss about 15 cents, okay, or $15. And from here, if we did the same thing, about 33%, 34%, we're looking about anywhere between $15 to $20 minimum that this thing can rally, okay? But again, it's just showing that these are the times to get into trades like this, that is showing that it's trying to go higher. Hopefully, well, I shouldn't say hopefully because we don't use that word in our school, but maybe it'll do something like this where it rallied up like that, or even if it did something like this for 500% return. Right now, this stock has gone up to make about 275% return. So if it goes up and makes about 500, we're looking at $15, $17. If it goes up to 20 bucks, you're looking at about 600% return. That being said, how much would that be from this point? Okay, so if we go from here to here, you're looking at about an 88% return. Okay, and if it goes all the way up to 30, all right, you're looking at about 120, 190, almost 200% return. If it goes up and makes an all-time high like it did before, over a 5-year period, you're looking at about 300% return. So, all right, I was talking to somebody just yesterday that was saying that, hey, I want to find stocks that can make moves like that. All right, here's one that has already made 200% and could make another 100%, 200% very easily over the next few months. Okay, so that is our future stocks for this time. Remember to trade on the right side with confidence.